If DaVinci Resolve is showing an error decoding full-resolution media, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your clips playing smoothly again. This issue often happens when the footage is using an unsupported codec, a very high bitrate, or your GPU and CPU are struggling to decode full-resolution files in real time. The good news is that there are a few settings inside Resolve that can reduce the load and improve playback right away. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve fixes and editing tips. Let's start on the edit page, where your clips are already visible on the timeline. This is important because we want to test playback while adjusting the decoding settings. First, go up to the Playback menu at the top of the screen. From there, open Timeline Proxy mode and set it to half resolution. This reduces the amount of data Resolve has to decode while you edit, which can instantly make playback smoother on heavier footage. Next, stay in the Playback menu and go to Proxy Handling. Here, choose Prefer Proxies. This tells DaVinci Resolve to use lower resolution proxy files whenever they're available, instead of trying to decode the original full-resolution media every time. If you're working with large video files, this can make a huge difference in performance and help prevent the decoding error from appearing again. Now let's create proxy media for the clips that are causing trouble. Go to your media pool, right-click on the clip, and select Generate Proxy Media. Resolve will create optimized playback files in the background, which are much easier for your computer to handle. If you're editing 4K, 6K, or high bitrate footage, proxy media is one of the best long-term solutions for reducing decoding problems and keeping your timeline responsive. After that, we should check your system decoding settings. Go to DaVinci Resolve, then open Preferences, and head to Memory and GPU. This is where you can review how Resolve is using your hardware. Look for the GPU processing mode setting and change it to CUDA if you're on an NVIDIA card, or OpenCL if that's the better option for your system. Choosing the correct processing mode can improve decoding stability and help Resolve handle full-resolution media more efficiently. Once you've made those changes, save your settings and restart Resolve. This step is important because restarting reloads the decode engine and applies the new settings properly. After the restart, open your project again and test the same clips on the timeline. In many cases, the error will be gone, or at the very least, playback will be much more stable. If you're still getting the decoding error after that, it usually means the footage itself is too demanding for your current system, or the codec is not fully supported. In that case, using proxy media, lowering playback resolution, or transcoding the files into a more edit-friendly format can help even more. The main idea is to give Resolve something easier to decode so you can keep editing without constant interruptions. So to quickly recap, the fix is to lower the timeline proxy mode, prefer proxies, generate proxy media, check your GPU and memory settings, switch to the correct GPU processing mode, and then restart Resolve. These steps can significantly reduce decoding issues and make your workflow much smoother. If this video helped you fix the DaVinci Resolve decoding error, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what problem you want solved next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.